Thank you for your purchase on HouseBay. First, press Time Set button. The hour digits flashes. Then press the left or right arrow buttons to adjust the correct hour. Press the Time Set button to confirm. The minute digits flash. Same way to adjust the correct minute. Finally, press the Time Set button again to confirm and exit from time setting. Press Alarm 1 button. Hour of Alarm 1 flashes. Then press the left or right arrow buttons to set the correct hour. Press the Alarm 1 button. Same way to set the correct minutes. Press Alarm 1 button again. Then press the left or right arrow button to choose beep sound, bird chirping sound, or FM radio. Finally, press Alarm 1 button to save the Alarm 1 setting. When the alarm goes off, you have two choices. 1. Press snooze light. The alarm will go off again 9 minutes later. Press Alarm 1 to turn off Alarm 1. Press and hold Alarm 1 button for 2 seconds to completely turn off, and the alarm will not go off in the next day. Press the snooze light button, then press repeatedly the snooze light button to change the color you like. Press some button to adjust 5-level brightness of nightlight. Press and hold the snooze light button for 2 seconds to turn off nightlight. Press the radio button. FM radio will be on or off. Press and hold radio button for 2 seconds. FM radio will scan and auto-store the scanned stations. Once the station search is completed, the first station will be played automatically. Press the left or right arrow buttons to tune all saved stations. When radio is on, you can press the left or right arrow buttons to tune radio station you like. Then press and hold Sleep Timer button until icon AL appear on the display screen. The clock immediately saves the station as Wake Up Radio alarm sound. Hope you enjoy Glow. Have a nice day.